Well, happy festive season to all my viewers and wishing you all a really good 2025. Who knows where the time goes. And also a big thank you to all of you that subscribe to my channel. I'm just about to hit 8,000 subscribers, which is amazing. So really appreciate that. Thanks very much for subscribing and continuing to watch my videos. But anyway, let's get on with it. What on earth have we got here? It is apparently the best fighter in the model aeroplane. It's got plug-in charging. It's got strong resistance to fall off, which is always really good in a model aeroplane. It's also got flying higher and it's streamlined. But even better still, let me just tell you, it's just £2.59. And this has to be the cheapest powered airplane kit that you can buy. So I'm going to get on with it, get out of the pack and see if I'm clever enough to put it together. Let's hope it goes together better than my last two builds, which I'll probably show you at the end. But let's make a start. Let's get out the packet. Does it have any instructions? Oh yes, they're on the back in Chinese and in English, and they look pretty good. The easiest thing is to get the bits out, lay them down and have a look, and it probably will become pretty obvious how they go together. Little word of warning first. This is a capacitor driven prop on this motor, and the capacitor is charged. The on-off switch is on the fuselage, so be careful how you handle the bits, because if you accidentally press it, you will get quite a surprise, as I discovered later. But let's get on and see how the kit actually goes together. You've got top wing, obviously with the cutout for that. Lower wing, much smaller. Tail feathers, and as you can see, vertical stab there, and again another cutout. I'm going to do that with a blade. And there's the USB charging port. Well, I think for £2.50 that looks quite fun. So anyway, I'm going to have a little go and put it together and then come back to you in a minute. So there we are, almost finished. I can't resist testing the motor. Where's the switch? Whoa, whoa, look at that. It's got charge. It's actually, look at that. Look how much wind it pushes. Wow, for £2.50. Wow, that motor is screaming. This is amazing. Anyway, word of warning there. As I said before, when you're putting this together, keep your fingers away from that little push switch there. So, that on there, this will go on here. And now the tail feathers. And this material isn't actually foam, it's a kind of rubberized foam which does feel pretty durable. So here it is, the little beauty, and boy has it got some thrust. Scared the life out of me when I pressed the button. Oh, and incidentally I can show you, it says LED light. There it is. Right, how are you going to fly it? Well, obviously it's a powered free flight model, so you're either going to try and set it up so that it actually flies around in cycles, or it's going to fly off into the blue yonder. Now the instructions say that you need to adjust the bend in the tail, i.e. the rudder, so that it will fly around in circles, and if it's not flying around in tight enough circles or too tight circles, then adjust the bend. It looks like it's got a pre-bend in it anyway. You can also, they also suggest, oh actually Anna, notice you've actually got a little bit of a cutout there in the vertical stab. You've got a little cutout so that you can adjust the elevator effectively, or climb rate if you want to put it that way. But the other thing, as far as duration goes, I wish I'd read this to start with, it would have made editing this video much easier, but unfortunately I never read instructions. It says trigger switch on off, trigger switch and fly for 15 seconds, long press 3 seconds and flying 20 seconds. So I guess short press will give you 15 seconds, 3-second press will give you 20 seconds. The motor stops working, indicator light is delayed for 30 seconds. When the charge is charged, the indicator lights are flashing, full of light, full of electricity. Oh, in other words, when the light stays on, it means it's fully charged, I think. And this product has overcharged protection. Just did a little test, and short press does seem to be about 15 seconds. Not quite sure, and the light afterwards does flash for a while. Not quite sure what that's all about. Maybe that's a bit of recovery time for it. So there's obviously a little microcircuit in there that actually controls the duration of the flight, which is good, isn't it? Otherwise, it's going to go for a long time. And it says, full of electricity, can fly 40 to 50 times. So there it is. You're obviously going to need a very light wind day, because it only weighs 15 grams, and a nice big open space. But I think this could be a lot of fun, and I think it's well worth the £2.59, and it could be a good intro if you want to get some of your kids or grandkids into kind of model plane flying. Might get them hooked, who knows. But anyway, that's the end of this little video. If you've enjoyed it, please give it a like down there somewhere. It helps my algorithms. And if you're a subscriber, thanks. As I say, I'm just shy of the 8,000, in fact probably over it by now. And if you're not a subscriber, please check out some of the other vids on my channel, and why not hit subscribe. I don't know whether I'm going to get a chance. If there is a maiden of this, I'm going to tag it on after this little outro. I have thrown it indoors, and it certainly flies, and it bounces well. I think it's going to survive crashes very well. But if there's not a maiden, hit subscribe and then you'll see the maiden. Plus, if you want to see the maiden of those other two, first balsa build in 12 years, the ugly stick or mini stick, and my Fun World EP, which maybe will get a bit of flight this time, because last time kind of flew okay, but the undercarriage ripped off just landing it, a soft landing in gorse, so that wasn't too good. So if you want to see those, like I say, please hit subscribe. But I'll stop waffling on. Thanks for watching. Safe flying for 2025, and I'll leave you with a couple of links of those other models I mentioned. Bye for now.